And on this episode of the BC Fam,
This is crazy.
I woke up late, as usual. But unlike every other morning that I wake up late, Dad and Randy went hunting, and it seems like they're rolling up. They got something hanging off the back there.
Somebody had to pull the trigger.
I mean, couldn't you wait for me to get it on camera, Randy?
No, he didn't give me a chance. I told him to wait, but he kept going.
I could have shared it with the tens of people watching this on YouTube. Oh, he's a super wide 6-pointer.
I'm telling you.
I'll put the tape on him. He measured what?
17 outside, 16 and a half inside, 15 and a half inside.
Oh, wow, God. Where'd you?
I got him a little high. Hey, but he was chasing the doe. So give me a little bit of slack.
Okay. Well, he ain't gonna chase no more of them.
He ain't gonna breed it. We ain't gonna have a bunch of 6-pointers. This baby's 6-pointer running around.
Yeah. Let's see what that looks like.
I was upset when it was only a 6-pointer. I thought it would be at least 8.
Well, I mean, he's still a good deer.
Wish you could have been there.
Yeah, me too.
Do you want a beer? I brought you one.
I'll be here. What time is this? Is it noon yet?
If you don't want one, I can put it back.
I'm good. I got an iced coffee over here.
Okay.
I mean, I just ate breakfast. You talking about you want a beer? No, I'm good for now.
Where do you want yours, Randy? You want to set on the cooler? Be all right.
Yeah. Will you open it for me? My hand's got a little bit of junk on it.
Okay. I'll put mine back.
It's already the wrong way. I didn't know how much you wanted to thin.
I want the cooler and open, Randy.
It should be going.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you had it on there.
You too.
What are you doing? Stop playing with that thing, Randy. Let me help you out here. It was fun watching you struggle for a second. We can't do this all day.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's stuck in there.
Hey.
It's a little stinking. I think you messed up some backstrap with that shot. What was you doing? Oh, he is stinking.
Yeah, I believe I did.
You believe so?
Mm-hmm.
I think you split it in half for us already.
Yeah.
We ain't got to do that part. All right. We're over here.
You need a plug. Butt plug.
No, I don't think you. I don't know. I don't think you got shot.
I don't think so.
But I like to use a 4-inch fillet knife. For this part anyways. I like to use multiple knives.
now I'm about to show you how to skin a buck my way. It might not be the right way, but it's my way.
Why not?
Alright, I'll be right back.
I like stab myself in the leg when sting your deer antler.
Knife number 2. Gut hook.
You want me to try this?
Hey, look at that tick right there. Golly. Knife number 3.
Now this last knife is a skinner. You probably don't need 3 knives to skin a deer, but each one has its own particular use that they're good at. Keeps all of them sharp, And Randy likes to act like he forgot his knife, so he ain't got to do nothing. So it's always good to have an extra.
Oh, wait a minute. If I cut this thing off, what are we doing with it?
Mr. Shin?
Mr. Shin. I mean, hey,
He's a mess.
one prick, no hurt nobody.
Well, I think Brandon ain't been bent for about 3 weeks now. I don't know what his deal is. I don't know if he's sick or hurt.
I think there's some bags in my camper right there, Randy, if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
If he didn't stop, I probably wouldn't. Is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, he was on the move. He was
Alright,
chasing
so-
me. He wasn't wide open though.
Nothing goes to waste around here. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. This is a delicacy for some. Not for me personally, but I don't mind taking a little time to save it somebody who will enjoy it.
That's all you're gonna put in there?
We can probably put these in there too.
Oh, okay.
I mean, they've all been together for so long.
He might as well pair. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Pop them on out. Squeeze that out like that for me, Randy. God, it's so slippery. I should have got these off earlier. I wasn't thinking. I was just trying to get to it.
We got trimming to do. It sure messes with our trimming.
There we go. They come right out.
Oyster City. Okay, you got it now?
There we go.
All right, Mr. Shin. Rinse them off.
One bag down.
Now, I always save the organ meat off of all the deer that I harvest for my friend. He really enjoys them. I tried raw deer liver with him one time, and I don't think I've ever tried it again.
Randy, if you're gonna stand there, I'll need you to drink a beer or something. I mean, at least enjoy your time out here. Thank you.
I'm not advertising for any beer, but my favorite one.
Now, Randy's gonna just Euro mount this buck, so we're only gonna save the head from it. If he was gonna shoulder mount it, though, I would have started right here on these legs and done it pretty much the same way, except I would have saved the cape from about halfway down the deer's body all the way up to the head, and I wouldn't have zipped the middle part down right here at the stomach so far.
Okay. Put some muscle on it.
Clean the hair out of it. That's a little secret trick.
Wait a minute.
All the way to the neck.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, but if I'm gonna go,
I'm gonna live.
You're lucky it was the gut hook.
That other was sharp.
I mean, I'm the one bleeding. No, it's his blood. Oh, yeah, I'm dangerous today.
Back in the day, and for the longest time, I used my little 4-inch fillet knife, and it was the only knife I used for the whole thing. Skinning, gutting, quartering, deboning, pretty much everything. You don't have to have a Sawzall and 3 knives, but it sure does make it a lot easier. Also, for the longest time, I didn't save the neck off of the deer that I killed. I am so disappointed in myself because once I started saving the neck off a deer, there's no turning back. There's so much good meat on a deer's neck.
Nice neck roast, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna take the front feet off now?
Yeah.
I just tried to open it up where you had a couple little shooting lanes. I heard something grunting back there.
Back where?
Back in those.
Straight up through here.
In these pines?
Yeah.
That's where you seen the pigs this morning?
Yeah.
How close?
30, 35 yards right through there. But if I never could see a whole pig, I'd see.
Oh my goodness, we got to do some trimming.
I could see
And I'm going to trim this way. So,
bitten pieces of black. I couldn't tell whether it's looking at a hind quarter or a front shoulder or what. There's at least two of them. There might have been 5 or 6. I couldn't tell. The wind was
okay.
blowing across at that time. I think they got right here and they got my center. Took it straight away from me.
Wow.
Wind been blowing a different direction. I come further, a little bit more open out through here. Maybe I could have seen them and got a shot.
All right, well, I didn't really plan on trimming out that direction, but it's more like this way, but it sounds like we need both ways, don't it?
I'll never do that. might not never do that again in another 10 years, mate.
Well, they might not do it. They might do it the very next time you hunt here, so.
Yeah. Be interested. We'll walk out through there and see if you see any rooting sign or anything.
I'm finna get a chainsaw and you tell me what to do.
You know that. So good, throw it up, now watch it disappear. So fat, like it's hanging from a chandelier. She got that full court money like she playing for the Cavaliers. Her rent paid, Chanel shades, her hair like that. You all of that. You know what's up. Run it back slow, baby with no hands. What's up? Spin 150's gon' do no dance. Drop that thing like confetti. Drop that thing like confetti. Baby, you know you ready. Drop that thing like confetti. All you gotta do is just move. Don't stop it now. Move. Up and down. Move. Don't stop it now. Move, 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 move. All you gotta do is just move. Don't stop it now. Move. Up and down. Move. Don't stop it now. Move, 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 move. Look, baby, sitting pretty. Your pockets heavy. You independent. You know it. He ain't that boy. Give you the it. Come to me, cause I'm on it. I be like Bentley for my baby. 800 Mercedes. And it rain on me like candy rain. You so
good.
for real, girl, do
You
your thing. You know what's
Yeah.
up? Run it back slow, baby, with no hands. What's up? Spin 150's gon' do no dance. Drop that thing like confetti. Drop that thing like confetti. Baby, you know you ready. Drop that thing like confetti. All you gotta do is just move. Don't stop it now. Move.
Back this way.
Move. Don't stop it now. Move, 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 move. All you gotta do is just move. Don't stop it now. Move.
Right down through here.
Don't stop it now. You know this money running me like you got over me. It's we and them friends, baby, gon' do your dance. Oh yeah, it's so believe you're the one that's never getting over me. Come close to me, we ain't wasting time. This high is supposed to be. You know what's
where I heard
up?
the
Run it back slow, baby,
grunt
with no
from.
hands. What's up? Spin 150's gon' do no dance. Drop that thing like confetti. Drop that thing like confetti. Baby, you know you ready.
Now, ooh, well, yeah, I got a perfect shot right there.
Yeah, I think I need to take out some of this stuff here. I'm hunting over there this afternoon. It's about a convertible today. God, I don't know if you can see this. My ceiling's about to blow off. You can't see it. I don't think you can see it. I mean, I can stick my hand up through it. This is how windy it is. I mean, this wind is gusting probably 40 miles an hour at least. I don't know if I'm going to see anything this afternoon. I don't know if the deer can stay in their beds in this time. The wind might just blow one past me. It's just crazy. Feels like I'm hunting in a hurricane. Out here in the middle of these 1-year-old planted pines, and this wind is just, it feels like it's gonna blow the stand over. It's trying to rip the roof off. Raising the roof today. It's crazy. So to strap it down better. Randy went up to buck hunt. Ad's over at the fam stand. I don't know if any of us gonna see something. Feels great. It's like I'm at the beach. I don't know if I got it on camera, but pretty big buck just came out down there not very long. Before the shot that I have. Went back in the woods before I could really tell what he was, because I was trying to get the camera ready. I was still standing out there, but she's at. I'm a little scared, probably because it's so windy. And I hope that buck comes back out and gives me a better look.
That big buck never did come back out for me. But a few minutes later, this 3-year-old 7-pointer showed up 50 yards from my stand, eating white oaks. Now my roof is about to fly off, and it's squeaking every time it flaps. And when he finally notices it, he doesn't really like it too much. Now when I first saw him, I'm thinking that's a kind of weird rack deer, and he probably needs to die. Then I have to remind myself that every once in a while, given enough time, some of these weird rack 3-year-olds can turn into a giant. I hope to see him again next year.
Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see It could be anything, anything.